Okay, bro. So, like I said, I'm going to show you some ways you can start, making some rhythm and feelings in your press section. Okay. So, what I'm about to show you now is can be applied to any keys you find your song. Okay, like you hear that song, you are B B B. Okay, the key of the song I played it some years ago. Okay, it was on the key of E. This is the key of E. You know now. This is the key of E, and this is F. F sharp, okay? So I was playing the key of E. So, okay, so like the song is you. Okay, I think that is the solo part of it. The main song is you are be. Okay, you. I forgot how to sing the song. I think it's yeah. You are big, 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 big. You are nice, 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 nice. You are great, great. You are great. You are real. Something like that, okay? So the progression of the song is you are big, 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 big. You are la, 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 la. You are great. You are great. One. You are do. You are the song. You are great. So now. Okay, so now this is how you can play. If the keyboardist is playing the chord like that, I said you don't need to play the chord with him. Also, you can play something like you are you are so what I'm playing there is you just picking out the note. You know this is do so mi. Okay, so you just pick out the note. You are so do ti la so mi. Okay, you just pick out the note. You are the re re. You know until the re goes to so now. Now you're going to so chord. Okay. Okay. Now the first part is do. You are me. Do you so? Re so ti. Re so ti. Okay, so now we have another. So after the play, we play. Now going to your va. Now you hold your va. Va mi, va mi. Okay. So when you play it very fast, you try to play it very fast. So you keep practicing. Okay, time with time with time, you get used to it. Okay. Va mi re do, va mi re do la ti so. Okay. La, ti, so, do. Okay. So now I played another part on this shape now because this is the key of F, C, E again. Okay. Okay, like I normally show you from this. Okay. Okay, this is another. So I play something like that. So when you play, you are being, you now I'm playing from the do re mi fa. Sorry. So now I'm playing on this shape, okay? So from here, do, re, mi, I have my do, re, mi, so. Okay. So I play. So I hum on the from the re to the mi. I hum on from the re to the mi. Now I play the saw. Okay. 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 Re, mi, so, mi, fa, mi. I play the la la. Okay. You know this shape now, just like me playing. Okay. So I need to harmonize it so that it can sound both sweet and more better. Okay. It's just a simple way you can start, understanding how to feel praise songs. Okay, when you are giving. Now this is applicable to any key